As you can see, this is proof I was able to unfollow everyone in my following list at once with just one click. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first we were following a lot of people, now the first way is to manually unfollow everyone, but if you want to unfollow everyone all at once, then use this method. As you can see, our request has been successfully sent to TikTok support, and they should help unfollow everyone on our account in few days. If this was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos.